students. I hope that you all will be alright. Let's start with the name of Allah, who is the perfect and giver of peace. Our today's topic is future indefinite, active voice and passive voice sentences. The definition of future indefinite sentences is the future indefinite tense is a tense that describes an action in future. Future indefinite ऐसा tense है जो कि हमें future में होने वाले action के बारे में बताता है. The helping verbs of future indefinite tense are will and shall. Will use with he, she, it, you, they, and shall will use with I and we. For example, the child will sleep. The child is counted in he, so that is why it carries the helping verb will. The formation of future indefinite tense is subject plus helping verb plus object. One more example is he will complete his education. One thing is to be remembered that the sentence becomes emphatic. Will is used with we and I. जब will जो है वो we और I, जैसा कि अभी ऊपर बयान गया कि I और we के साथ shall का इस्तेमाल होगा, लेकिन जब we और I के साथ will का इस्तेमाल होगा तो sentences जो हैं वो emphatic हो जाएंगे. Instead of shall or shall is used in place of will. और इसी तरह अगर जो will है वो जैसे कि हमने बयान किया कि he, she और it और you दे के साथ लगता है, लेकिन अगर shall इनके साथ लग जाए तो ये भी emphatic sentences बन जाते हैं. For example, I will go to Murray in summer vacation. I बेसिकली जो रूल है वो I के साथ shall लगना चाहिए, लेकिन यहाँ पर ये emphatic sentences हैं इसलिए I के साथ will का इस्तेमाल किया गया है. Now we will discuss passive voice sentence of future indefinite tense. Firstly, translate the subject and use will or shall according to the subject. Now put be followed by a third form of verb and by an object as he will eat the apples. सबसे पहले हम अपने subject translate करेंगे और according to the subject we will use helping verb will or shall. Then we will put be with the helping verb followed by third form of verb. इसमें third form of verb use होगी preposition of by and then our object. This is the active voice sentence of future indefinite tense. He will eat apples. He is our subject and apple is our object. In the passive voice sentences, apple will change into subject and subject will change into object. He will eat apples. This is the active voice sentence of future indefinite tense. He is our subject and apples is our object. Will helping verb and it is our verb. In the passive voice sentences, apple will change into subject and subject will change into object. For example, apples will be eaten by him. Apples will not be eaten by him. In the negative sentences, we will place not between will and be. So students, this is our passive voice sentences of future indefinite tense. Now I am giving you the definition of future indefinite tense is the future indefinite tense is a tense that describes an action in future. Helping verbs are will and shall. Will be used with he, she, it, you, they, and shall will use with I and we. But in the child will sleep. The formation of future indefinite tense is subject plus helping verb plus object. And when we will use will with we and I or shall with he, she, it, you, they, then the sentences will change into emphatic sentences. In the passive voice sentences, we will use the helping verb will or shall with be and third form of verb followed by the preposition of agent by. Then we will translate our object. For example, apples will be eaten by him. Now I am giving you some words for change the voice of the following. He will tell a lie. The boys will play cricket. I will buy books. He will punish him. I will write a letter. And now I will give you some sentences for translate into English. मैं तुम्हारी मदद करूँगा. कल बर्फबारी होगी. वो उस्ताद से माफ़ी मांगेगा. हम कल मैच खेलेंगे, तुम हवाई जहाज से लाहौर जाओगे। सो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज द tense of future indefinite active voice and passive voice sentences.